Progressing with any project concerning sustainability in healthcare requires mentorship and support, but most importantly, engagement and collaboration. This is why we have founded Green Health Wales, an independent grassroots network of people in healthcare, in clinical, non-clinical, administrative, support and managerial roles across Wales who recognise that the climate and ecological emergency is a health emergency.
Start to build towards recovery, it's important that the environment and our impact on it is hardwired into our mindset as leaders and for decision making at all levels, from the front line right up to the ministerial decisions that are sponsored on behalf of the NHS system.
If globally healthcare was a country, it would be the 5th biggest emitter in the world. Makes it absolutely critical that health is one of the key sectors in Wales where we're focusing our decarbonisation efforts. Because really, if we're used to, particularly now, to talking about public health emergencies, but do we have the right sort of concept of that in mind? Because I would say that the 250,000 additional deaths per year from climate change, that's a public health emergency.